Hi friends, I'm Urvashi, and today in this video I'm going to be talking about a very interesting topic. It's about selecting the best time to do any particular activity. So before I start, for all those who haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe and also remember to tap the bell icon. Only then will you receive any kind of a notification. So what happens nowadays is we all know there are certain activities that are good with the planet Venus. When you want to go buy jewelry for women, or if you want to propose to somebody, if you're a young guy or a young girl and you want to ask somebody to go out on a date, or you want to get engaged, you want to get married, then that's a Venus activity. If this is related to education, if this is related to communication, if this is related to friendship, friends going out for a picnic or something like that, then you want to do that in the Mercury time, because Mercury signifies friendships and education and communication. If you want to give a lecture to somebody, let's suppose you want to give a lecture to somebody, to your child, you want to explain something to your child, an important topic maybe, so that could be Mercury. If you want to do any special activity where you feel your ninth lord will be supportive, will bring luck factor, or you want to avoid the other lords, you want to avoid, naturally you want to do any auspicious activity, any good activity, you want to avoid the eighth lords, the time that the eighth lord rules, the day that the eighth lord rules, or you want to avoid the day or the time that the sixth lord rules. Okay, so let's suppose, or the 12th lord rules, so that's losses. Let's suppose you want to go for a business deal and you want to make sure that I don't go at the time where the 12th lord rules. So let's suppose Sun is your 12th lord, and you say, okay, I'm not going to do this on a Sunday, I'm going to do it on any other day. So that's great, but are you sure you're avoiding the Sun's time? Because Sun does not rule only the Sunday. Or let's suppose you want to avoid the time that Mars rules, or Jupiter rules, or any other planet rules. So you say, okay, fine, I'm going to avoid Tuesday because Mars rules Tuesday. I'm not going to do this on Tuesday because Mars rules my 8th house or my 12th house or whichever house. So I'm not going to do it. Are you sure you're avoiding it? So very simply, I'd like to explain to you that other than the weekdays, there is also an hour day, a Hora day. Hora is the hour of the day, and there are 24 hours in one day. So these 24 hours each are ruled by a different lord. And if you cannot do a particular activity, let's suppose you want to do something on a Thursday or a Friday, but you have to do it on a Monday. You can't avoid the Monday, you have to do it on a Monday. So this person tells you, we have to do it on a Monday, but you can select the time that is suitable for you. So how will you do that? It's very simple. So in order from Sun, Venus, Mercury, Moon, I'm giving you the list here, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars. This is the order of the Hora lords, or the hour lords. We have 24 hours. So each hour is ruled by one of these lords. So on a Sunday, the first hour is going to be ruled by the Sun. So all you need to do is, you need to find out the sunrise time for that Sunday. So Sunday, the first hour is ruled by Sun, the second is ruled by Venus, the third Mercury, the fourth Moon, the fifth Saturn, the sixth Jupiter, the seventh Mars. And then the eighth again the Sun, again after that the ninth is Venus. This order goes on, and we have this cycle 3 times. So 3 times on a Sunday you have 3 hours of the Sun, in fact 4 hours, because the Sun would be repeated again. So we'll have 4 hours of the Sun, 4 hours of Venus, 4 hours of Mercury, and then the next hour will be of Monday. So Monday, the first hour will be again Moon, then we have Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Sun, Venus, Mercury. This order goes on like this. All you need to do is find out the sunrise time of that day, whichever day you want to do whatever activity, and you cannot wait for that particular day lord. So 9th lord, 5th lord, ascendant lord, these are your friends. You can do all the good activities on these days, but you cannot wait for that particular day to do that activity. So what you do, you look for the Hora of that particular planet. Okay, so you check out, if it's a Wednesday, the first Hora will be Mercury, the second Hora will be Moon, the third will be Saturn, fourth is Jupiter, fifth is Mars, again the Sun, Venus, Mercury, Moon. In this order it is going to continue. So let's suppose it's a Saturday, and you have to do this, do something important related to Venus that day. Okay, let's suppose you have to go out do some shopping, and we know Saturdays aren't great for shopping. Shanivar we don't consider so auspicious. So what you can do is look for the Venus Hora. So let's suppose sunrise was at 6 o'clock. So 6 to 7 is Saturn, 7 to 8 is Jupiter, 8 to 9 is Mars, 9 to 10 is Sun, 10 to 11 is Venus. So the best time to go shop is 10 to 11. Then 11 to 12 is Mercury, 12 to 1 is Moon. Then again 1 to 2 is again Saturn. Then 2 to 3 is again Jupiter. 3 to 4 is Mars. 4 to 5 is Sun. 5 to 6 is again a good time to shop because Venus time has come back. So you have these slots of hours every day. So you can use this chart and you can find out the sunrise time of the day and 1 hour each for all the planets, and this is the order that you have to stick to. And very simply you can select your own time to do whatever auspicious activities you want to do. So that is all for now in this video. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.